Hey guys, this is Asha Sherry. Welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to share a few simple tricks to look taller. In fact, to look taller with the clothes you already have in your closet.
Can you guess how tall am I? Just 155 cm. It's about 5.1 feet.
You can look taller irrespective of your actual height. All you need is knowledge of how to create that illusion. So if you're looking to appear taller, these fashion tips will help you achieve it with no efforts. Get started. Go monochromatic.
Wear the same color top and bottom to create the illusion of length. Basically, wearing a monochromatic look will blur the line that separates your upper half from your lower half. And there is no break in between. Hence, it makes the person look taller to the eye. Notion that people have is monochromatic dressing is not dressing in black and white at all. It's dressing in one color at a time. It could be all blue, shades of green, or any color of your interest. One of the easiest tricks to look taller is to tuck in your tops. Whatever you're wearing, be it a trousers, shorts or a skirt, make sure your top is fitted and tucked in properly. So basically, to create a look of a longer legs, tuck in your tops. Go for V necklines and open shirt collars. Wearing V-necked outfits draw the attention upwards. V-necks work great to add height and stretch out your frame. Wearing a top with a V-neck or a plunging neckline gives you a look of a longer torso. The wider the V, the broader your shoulder will look. Even your hairdo can help a lot in getting an illusion of a good height. This can be achieved in a number of ways. You can style the hair to have lift at the scalp area. Keep it in mind, if volume is important to you, go for a short hairstyle, because short hairstyles generally maintain a volume better than a longer and heavier hairstyles.
Vertical stripes. You can wear your stripes either thick or thin. Basically, vertical stripes create a length that will make you look taller. And please try to avoid a horizontal stripes because it adds width to your frame and make you look shorter.
Wearing vertical prints in any garment can lengthen your body. So pants with vertical lines will beg the eye to look up and down, effectively lengthening your look. So go for a vertical stripes and try a look.
Go for pointed toe heels. If you're wearing short outfit, use nude color shoes or heels.
The benefit of wearing the pointed toe pumps or flats is they do not cut the length of the legs and make them look elongated. So if you want to elongate your legs, choose neutral color footwear. Wearing an ankle boots can help you look tall, but remember to keep the boot just below your ankle. If it goes above your ankle, it cuts off your length. When you wear a high-waisted pants, shorts or skirts, they add length to your legs that creates the illusion of long legs. Hence, you will seem taller. If you have a long torso and want to add length to the legs, believe me, you should go for a high-waisted bottoms. So it will help create the illusion that bottom part of your body is much longer than it really is.
And that's it for now. I hope these tips are helpful. So please like it if you like it and hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.